Are your AirPods always falling out of your ears? If you're like me, it just seems that my ear shape does not fit the AirPods really well. And so they just slowly start falling off. And I've tried different things like adjusting the way the angle is on the ear, or another way is to like stretch your ear and then put it in, but they just haven't worked out. And so, if you're just lying around, it's fine. But if you're outside or you're on a walk, you definitely can't run with these in your ear. So the solution for me has been to get one of these accessories, and that is like an ear hook. It hooks onto your ear and it's quite simple. So let me go ahead and show you how it works. Now, you want to make sure that this end is on the front of your ear, and I'll show you in a moment, but make sure this side's on the front. So this would be for the right side. And all you have to do is go ahead and put it into this little loop right here. And it's quite tight, so it'll stay on. Now, there's a lot of different aftermarket parts, for these things. So I recommend something that's a little bit better quality, so it actually has the shape, but will not too soft. This one's a little too soft, actually. So I'm probably gonna get another one, but I'll show you I'll put a link below, but let's go ahead and show you how it fits into the ear now. Okay, so like I said earlier, this part needs to be towards the front, and you're gonna have to adjust the angle of the AirPod to make sure that it fits nice and snug into your earlobe. And this is on the right side of the ear. So as you can see, it fits nice. If you move around a little bit, you can see that it stays on. So make sure to adjust these, and then keep them lower on the stem of the AirPod, and it'll fit the ear better. But yes, I definitely recommend these, and I'll put a link below, but these are really good, especially if you're like running or working out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope it helps. If it does, please come out, like, comment, or subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.